Yo, Wavers, welcome back. The wait is over. The World Cup markets are finally live on cross prediction. The referee has blown the whistle and the biggest football event is here. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Deploy your bill or cross, call the shots, and enter the pitch now. Today, I'll show you how to get started, the difference between cross and bill, and how to participate in the World Cup prediction markets. First things first. Head over to the Cross Prediction website. The onboarding is super simple. Just click Connect and sign in using your Google account. It automatically connects a Cross wallet to your account. If you are new, a wallet is created instantly, very beginner-friendly. Just set your security PIN and you are ready to go. Once inside, you'll see two options, Cross and Bill. What's the difference? Let's start with Cross. It is the main token of the Cross game chain ecosystem. You can get Cross from supported exchanges like Bybit or BitGet and bridge it to the Cross network. Inside the platform, Cross is used for specific markets like BTC up or down and select World Cup events.
Now let's talk about Bill. Bill is the native token used throughout cross prediction. The huge advantage of Bill is that it unlocks a much wider variety of prediction categories: crypto, culture, macro, politics, and of course, sports. You can easily get Bill by exchanging your cross tokens on CrossForge. Let me show you how to get Bill. Go to CrossForge and find Billions, the token with the cool cat mascot. Connect your wallet using the same Google account. Enter the amount of cross you want to exchange. Click Buy, review the transaction, and confirm with your PIN. Boom! Your Bill tokens will appear in your wallet instantly. Now that we have Bill, let's dive into the World Cup 2026 markets. Go back to Cross Prediction, select Bill, and click on the Sports tab. You'll see all available football matches. Let's pick the opening match, Mexico versus South Africa. Do your analysis, choose the team you want to support, enter the amount of Bill you want to stake, and click Buy Yes. Confirm the transaction, and your prediction is locked in. So, how do you track this? Just open the Portfolio section. Here you can monitor all your open orders and active predictions. Once the match finishes and the event is settled, if you predicted correctly, your rewards will be available here to claim directly. And remember, you can always exchange your Bill back to Cross later on CrossForge. Cross Prediction. Season 2 makes it incredibly easy and fun to participate in prediction markets. It adds a whole new layer of excitement to the World Cup. Whether you are here for the football or the crypto ecosystem, there are plenty of opportunities. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next Web3 tutorial. See you on the pitch, Wavers.